Ahoy crew, Skipper Chris here. Going to talk a bit about Caribbean sailing. Caribbean sailing means wind and lots of wind. We spend most of our time reefed down and beating upwind, sailing from Trinidad to Antigua. Although we had a lovely beam reach from Tobago to the Grenadines. Downwind sailing in the Caribbean is the myth. Going north, you will often find yourself beating against a force 5 or 6 with lots of squalls and rain. Great for rainbow pictures though. The weather condition allows the crew lots of training time on the helm, which is great for wind awareness and keeping those telltales in line. As we got further north to the French islands, Martinique and Guadeloupe, it got a lot more squally, and more than once we had to put in a second deep reef in the main. The Caribbean is awesome cruising area and the weather is great for combatant crew training. Lots of reefing, shaking a reef using KMT and trying different sail plans.